First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see 10 mixed arithmetic questions. Let's see the question 1. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Let's get started with question number 1. Ram invests a certain sum in a scheme A offering simple interest at the rate 5% per annum for 4 years. So total interest he gets will be 4 times, which will be 20 percentage. 20 percentage is nothing but 1/5. So for the principal of 5 units he get 1 unit's profit. Okay, let's see the further. He further invests the amount obtained. Remember this is the amount obtained. So what we get amount is first initially 5 parts. Now he gets plus 1, which will be 6 parts. 6 by 5 is the total principal at present. Okay, this principal is invested into scheme B offering compound interest at 10% per annum for 2 years. 10% per annum for 2 years means it will be 21%. So 21% of this total amount. Okay, if the interest obtained from scheme B, so it is totally scheme B, the interest obtained is given as 378. Now what we need to find is what was the sum invested in scheme A, asking about what is the principal amount. So it will be 21 times 1 times will be 21, 168 means 18 times. 6 3 times, p value will be 500 times, 500 into 3 times 1500. So principal we got is 1500. So our answer will be option C. Second question. Mohan kept 30% of his retirement fund for himself and distributed the remaining amount among his wife, his only son and his only daughter. So he has done 100%. 30% he kept and the remaining 70 is distributed for his wife, son and daughter in the ratio of 7:3:4. So total is 10 plus 4, 14. 14 5 times will be 70. So 7 5 times, which will be 35. 3 5 times 15. 4 5 times 20. These are the actual ratios of this. Let's see what is the question asked. If the difference between the amount that Mohan kept himself and the amount he gave to his son is 31500, so the difference between these two, which will be 15 parts, 15 parts value is given as 31500. Now the question asked is what was the total retirement fund, asked about what is 100%, asked about 100% value. 15 2 times and 2 times, 15 2 times is 30 and 1 times 00. So answer will be 2100 and extra 2 zeros. So this is the total value of his retirement fund. So answer will be option E. Now moving to question number 3. Wait a second. Let's see question number 3. A bag contains 2 red balls, 5 yellow balls, X green balls. Okay, these are given. One ball is drawn at random and the probability of a ball being yellow is 5 by 9. Here one ball is taken, it must be an yellow. So 5C1, which will be 5 divided by total number of balls 2 plus 5 plus we don't know this one. So 7 plus X equals to, the probability is given as 5 by 9. 5 and 5 cancels, 7 plus X equals to 9. So X value will be 2. So here the option E is our answer. Next, fourth question. A bag contains 5 green balls and 2 pink balls. 5 green and 2 pink. 2 balls are drawn out one by one and not replaced. Here we need to remember not replaced. Okay. 2 balls are drawn. Okay, that is also okay. What is the probability that they are of different colors? So there is 2 possibilities. First possibility is 5 in first we take a green ball and next pink ball, or else first we take pink ball and next one is a green ball. These are the two cases we have. Let's see. In probability, if we see and it means into, r means plus, this is into. Now first he take a green ball, so 5 out of 7 balls, only one ball is picked, so 5 by 7. Now one ball is less, now one ball pink is taken means 2 by 6 only. In this case first pink one ball is taken from 2 and total number of balls is 7 into, now one ball is reduced, in 5 balls one ball is to pick, 5 by 6. So what we get is 5 2 times 10 by 42, 10 by 42, totally 20 by 42 is the probability we get. So here we have 20 means 10 by 21. So answer will be 10 by 21. Option D is our answer. Next, question number 5. Sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is equals to 192. What is the difference between the square of the smallest number and the second largest number? So let's take 1. Let's take 1 this x plus 3, x plus 2. X plus 2 will becomes 3. X plus 4, which will be 5. X plus 6, which will be 7. So these are the consecutive odd numbers. Sum of these 4 is given as 192. So what we have is 4x plus 12 equals to 192. 12 comes this side with minus 12, so we get 180. X value becomes 45. So what are the numbers we have is 45, 47, 49 and 51. These are the numbers we have. Now the question asked is square of the smallest number, which will be 45 square, which will be 5 4 times 20 25, and the second largest number, this one, difference between these two. So difference is we get 6, this will be 1 means 7, 1976. 1976 is our answer. So option C is our answer. Now question number 6. A boat can travel 6.3 kilometers downstream in 18 minutes. So downstream speed is equals to 6.3 kilometers means 60 divided by 3 in 18 minutes means 18 divided by 60. So this one, this is meters per second. So 0 0 cancel, 6 3 times 3, 21 times. So we got a kilometers per hour, 21 kilometers per hour for m plus s. Now the question says that if the rate of the current means s is equals to 10 percentage, 10 percentage means 1 by 10 of the speed of the boat downstream, says that m plus s. Here we have m plus s value is 10x and this is x. So s value is 1 part and m plus s value is 10 parts means m is 9 parts, s value is 1 part. Here we have m plus s, which is 10 parts. 10 parts of value is 21 kilometers per hour. So 1 part value will be 21 divided by 10. Okay, now the question asked is how much time will be taken by the boat to travel 33.6 kilometers upstream. Upstream means m minus s speed. M minus s means 8x. So at 8x speed, distance given as 33.6 means divided by 10, and asked about time taken. So we need to find the value of time. Here 8 4 times 32 and 2 times. Here we taken this as x, part is nothing but x. So we have already x value which is 21 by 10. So 21 by 10 equals to 42 divided by 10 into t. 10 and 10 cancel, this will be 2 times. So what we have is t equals to 2 hours. So answer will be option D. Next, seventh question. A alone can do a piece of work in 12 days. The time taken by A in completing 1/4 of work is equals to the time taken by the B in completing 1/2 of work. A 1/4 work is equals to half work of B. So A total work will be 4. 4 parts of work will be completed in 12 days. Means one part of work will be completed in 3 days. Here this one part is same as this one part. So this one part, 3 parts, 3 days. 3 days is nothing but one part value of B. So one part value of B is 3 days. Then total number of parts of B will be 2 days, 2 parts. So 2 parts value will be 2, 3 times, which will be 6 days. So B completed in 6 days. Now the question asked is, in what time will A and B together can complete the work? So we have formula which is A into B by A plus B, which is 18, 3 times, 3, 4 times. So 4 days. Answer will be option B, 4 days. Next, we are going to see question number 8. A started a business with an initial investment of 2000, and after few months B joined with A, okay, with an initial investment of 2400. If the profit was 2850 at the end of a year, so profit is 2850, okay, at the end of year, means A completed all the 12 months, but B came after some months, so he works only some months. Now the profit shared is given here as B share of profit was 950. This is 950 means the value of this one must be 0. Difference between these two, 0, 0 and 19. So A share is 1900 and B share is 9500. So to find the value of X, we'll do this one. 950 2 times is 1900. 2 6 times 6 400 times, double zeros cancel 4 5 times. So what we have left is 5 equals to 12 minus x. So x value will be 7. So after 7 months B joined. So answer will be option C. Next, ninth question. Two equal sums are invested for 4 years at 32 percentage and 28 percentage simple interest, and the difference between these interests earned is 44 rupees. So 44 rupees earned, difference means P is common for both. For 4 years is also common. Difference between these two, which will be 32 minus 28, which will be 4 divided by 100. 4 11 times, 4 25 times. So the principal we got is 11 into 25, which will be 275. The question asked is find the sum, 275. Option A is our answer. Next, let's see 10th question. The average age of 5 children is 14. So there are 5 children, all the average is 14. Okay, two of them were 2 years and 4 years older respectively than the average age. So two people are 2 more than the average and 4 more than the average. So totally here 2 and here 4 means totally 6 more. So let's divide the average for these two, these also 6 less than. So what we left is 12, 12 and 12. So total of these average, these three people average is 12. Okay, and these are left. The 3 new children joined the group whose average age is 4 years more than the given average. Given average is 14 plus, so 4 means 18. 18 3 times, which will be 54. 54 more years comes. Here the total is 36. Totally we have 90 is the total age. Now what we need to find is find the new average age. 2 people left and 3 people come means total 6 people. So 90 divided by 6 will be 15. So answer will be 15. Option D is our answer. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.